and say how many times I've been lied to, how many promises been made and broken by you. So I'm sorry to the next one. I got a lot of issues, a tragic story I hope ends and never continues. People say move on, that's just how life is, but I've been experiencing this since I was a kid. I never felt love inside of my own father. He fucking hates me, and I'm his only daughter. I tried so hard to gain his approval, but I guess he's right, my life just needs a removal. Sometimes that's just how it goes, but I need to step up, I need to get over this depression. I finally had enough, and at the end of the day, it's my own life, and I don't give a fuck if you think that it's wrong or it's right. Regret is the only thing that ever gives me hell, thinking about what I could have done, but it's over and nil. I wish I could have gone back and told myself to quit, to put the blade down, cause you're worth more than shit. Don't worry about the critics, cause you'll be facing the whole world. You have to understand that you're just a girl. You can't change the world by wishing for your death. Nothing will get better if you take away your own breath. These things might be shit now, but I promise you that it'll get better. Hypocritical for me to say, I know it's not very clever, but look at me, I'm living proof that I came out of it okay, and you will too.